Summary tasks are great for organizing work tasks for a project. They can represent phases of work or tasks performed by a particular group. In Project, you can create a summary task for several existing tasks or create a new summary task with its own new subtask. Let's say you want to organize some existing work tasks. For example, you can just drag over the task name cells to select the tasks, like these four, and then on the Task tab, in the Insert section, click Summary. You can see that Project adds a new summary task and makes those four selected tasks subtasks. Well, this is ready for me to type a new task name, so I'll type that name. Document Requirements. When I press Enter, there's a black bracket that shows the duration of all the subtasks. That's one of the things about summary tasks. The duration of the summary task is the duration of the sequence of subtasks. Well, with the summary task, if I wanted to collapse it so I don't see the subtasks, just click the black triangle, and the subtasks disappear. If I want to see them again, click the white triangle, and they reappear. Now, if I change the duration of Identify Requirements, let's say to 20 days, you can see that the duration of the summary task reduces to 41 days because it still reflects the duration of the sequence of subtasks. Now, you can also add manually scheduled summary tasks. These come in really handy if somebody tells you how long you have to get some work done, and you want to see whether you have enough time to get it done. So in this case, select these tasks and insert a summary task. I'll call this one Eval Lease. And initially, the duration for that summary task is set to the sequence of subtasks. But you can change the duration of this manually scheduled summary task. So let's say your manager gave you 45 days. Type 45D in. You'll see a couple of things. Well, the black bracket shows the amount of time that you've typed in the duration field. That's the 45 days. But this teal bracket shows the duration of the subtasks. And what you can see is there's a gap between the two, and that tells you you actually have a little bit more time than you need. On the other hand, what if you got 35 days? We type 35D in the cell. Now, the black bracket shows this 35 days, but the other taskbar still shows the duration of the subtasks, 37.5 days. And because that bar is longer than what you got, it turns red to show you that you don't have enough time. You can also insert a brand new summary task. So let's say you have some new work you need to add to the project. In this case, I'll select the first blank cell in the task name column and then insert a summary task by clicking Summary. Well, you can see Project inserts a new summary task and one new subtask. But it's all ready for me to type the task name. So I type the name and press Enter, and it selects the task name cell for the subtask, so I can just continue on and type the name for that task. Call this one Get Improvement Estimates. I press Enter again, and it goes to the next blank cell, so now I can type a name for the next subtask. Maybe identify other costs. And basically, I can just keep doing that to add as many subtasks as I need for this new summary task. Summary tasks make it manageable to plan and track work you're doing and what you've accomplished. Project makes it easy to create summary tasks to organize your work.